Luigi Mangione has two big legal tracks running at the same time, a federal case and a separate New York State case. The newest headline is in federal court. His defense team is now targeting Attorney General Pam Bondi. They filed a motion claiming she has a conflict of interest tied to her past work as a lobbyist. The defense says her prior lobbying connections related to United Health should have kept her out of any decision to pursue the death penalty in this case. They are asking the court to step in and pause or block the death penalty path. They also want details on who made the decision, what communications happened, and what role Bondi played behind the scenes. In plain terms, the defense is trying to take the death penalty off the table by arguing the process was tainted at the top. The government is expected to fight this hard. Prosecutors usually argue that public statements and politics do not change the evidence, and that courts protect fairness through jury selection and court rules. So what happens next? Watch for the judge to set a briefing schedule, meaning deadlines for the defense and prosecutors to file their written arguments. Watch for a possible order forcing disclosures about any contacts or decision steps tied to the death penalty review. And watch for the next federal court date on January 9th, when the judge can tighten timelines and signal how seriously the court is taking this conflict claim. If the judge buys even part of the defense argument, the stakes change fast because the death penalty option could get narrowed or removed. If the judge rejects it, the death penalty track stays alive, and the case moves into the next phase of pretrial fights over evidence, witnesses, and what the jury will hear. Either way, this motion tells you the defense strategy. Hit the decision makers. Challenge the process. Try to reduce the maximum punishment before trial even gets close.